Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid Sandbox for Fintech onboarding step by step clearly. To connect Plaid Sandbox for Fintech onboarding, start by visiting the Plaid website. Create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Keys section to access your API keys. Make sure to copy your client ID and secret key for later use. Next, set up your development environment. Install the Plaid SDK for your preferred programming language. For Node.js, use the command npm install plaid. Once the SDK is installed, create a new file for your code. Import the Plaid library into your file. Initialize a new Plaid client using your client ID and secret. Use Sandbox as the environment for testing. Now, create a request to generate a link token. This token is essential for allowing users to authenticate their bank accounts. Make sure to define the user and the client name in your request. Send the request to the Plaid API endpoint. Once you receive the link token, store it in a variable. Next, integrate Plaid link into your front-end code. Use the link token to initialize Plaid link in your application. Add an event handler to capture the result of the user's account selection. With the user's permission, send the public token to your backend. From your backend, exchange the public token for an access token. This access token allows you to securely access user account data. Finally, test the integration by running your application. Verify that the bank accounts can be successfully linked. Ensure your Sandbox environment simulates real-world scenarios for testing. You are now set up to use Plaid Sandbox for Fintech onboarding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.